My name is Mark Moore, and I'm here to demonstrate how to terminate straight through cable. So this is my Cat 6 cable, and then this is my crimping tool, and then this is my RJ45 connector. So basically, we're going to arrange the colors in order. So like I'm going to make a straight through cable. So for a straight through cable, both ends have to be the same organization. Let me say we have two ways of organization. We have the TIA 568A. So if both ends are the same, we are making a straight through. Then when we are making a crossover, one end has to be TIA 568A, and then the other end has to be TIA 568B. The straight through wire cable arrangement, it begins with orange white, and then orange, and then green white, and then blue, and then blue white, and then green, and then brown white, and then brown. So you have them in this order. So get our crimping tool and make sure they are cut straight. So we look for our RJ45 connector. Then we enter inside very well in that order. So now they are inside. After that, we get our crimping tool and we give them a very good squeeze. We make sure we squeeze them very well. Now we have it there. So for a straight through, this same arrangement has to be put in the other end so that it can be a straight through. For a crossover, one end has this arrangement of TIA 568A, and then the other end will be